Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back after a 10-day or 2-week or 3-week or however many weeks long hiatus it's been since we came back from Paris. Yeah, I had to get somewhere. I had to go somewhere. And can you tell where we're at from behind us? Maybe not. But we are in beautiful Austin, Texas, a city I've never been to. So something I like to do on my channel is this little thing where I say, let's get lost in a city. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna get lost in downtown Austin, Texas, get our first impression of Texas, and see what we can find. But first, yeah, we're at the Capitol building. I don't know why I'm showing you these trees, because those are just some trees, but we are at the Capitol building. I have a billion facts for you. The first one I'm gonna throw off at you is the state capital of Texas is Austin, and this building is actually the biggest capitol, I believe, in the city, or in America. I think it's bigger by 15 feet than the capital of Washington, D.C. Right here we have Texas African American History Memorial. And then you can see the Capitol peeking over just a little bit. So let's walk there. And so when I went to France, I did not do that much research. I don't know why. I would start to do some research, and then I just felt like it was gonna be fake, the experience you were gonna get. I actually did a ton of research for Texas, and I think it's gonna turn out a great trip. I would like to film at least 3 videos while I'm here. So we're gonna do quality over quantity, but let's get a better view. So that was the Capitol. I don't know what I'm supposed to do there. It's a big building. Okay. I really want to see the city. I want to experience Texas. Looky here. Before we start walking down there, I'm gonna walk, I'm gonna talk, because that's what I do here, right? Do you know why Six Flags is called Six Flags, the theme park, the roller coaster amusement park? For your amusement. It's because it was formed here in Texas. Texas has been ruled over by 6 different people, which would have a flag for each one. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 flags. So we have Mexico, Spain, France. Texas was its own country called the Republic of Texas for 10 years. The Confederate and the Confederacy and the United States of America. So 6 flags. So that's why Six Flags theme park is called Six Flags. And yeah, I have probably a billion facts, so I gotta get these out in real time. But yeah, let's go get lost in downtown Austin, Texas, because I gotta give you guys some content. Oh yeah, there's a Christmas tree here as well. But it's just a Christmas tree, so let's go this way and see what we can run into. Curious to see my first impressions. What will I be impressed by? Is that what an impression is? I'm curious. All right, we're in a deep, dark alleyway because that's where the bad stuff happens, right? That's what we want to see, some mischievous stuff. But really, look at this. Walking past this, the average person wouldn't stop. But look how old this is. You can literally chip it away. These buildings. And I read that Austin was underwater like 90 million years ago and had some volcanoes or something, 9 volcanoes. And because of those, or maybe they are made from that, I don't know. I'm hitting you with facts that aren't actual facts, but I think it's called lime. This is white lime, and they said there's like a lot of old buildings made from that here. So I'm gonna assume that's what that is. If it's not, then I just made that all up, but you've still seen it here first. Right across the street, right there, 7-Eleven. Why is that of significance or importance? Or are those words the 2 same thing? I don't know. But the first 7-Eleven, I believe, was created here in Austin in 1927. And if it wasn't in Austin, it was in Texas. But either way, we're in Austin, which is in Texas. So the fact still holds up. Yeah, first 7-Eleven, right here, 1927. Let's see what else we can find, because there's too much to be seen. All right, while we explore downtown Austin, every single spot is beautiful. Yeah, man, it's pretty crazy. Out of economies based on like how much they how much they gross, Texas is actually the 10th biggest in the world. And that's including all countries, you know what I mean? First is America, second is China, third is Japan, 10th is Texas, which is pretty crazy. Texas has 28 million people as a population, maybe even more than that now. But what's interesting is 1.5 million of those are undocumented immigrants. And I'm not getting political, and I don't care where you stand on the side of like immigration in America. But one thing would be crazy is, imagine if those 1.5 million people left overnight, boom, what that would do to the economy, how that would destroy an economy. Because those 1.5 million people are surely spending tons of money. By far, my favorite view that I've seen so far since I've been here, right here behind me. Granted, I've only been here for a few hours off the plane. This is an amazing view. So apparently Austin has this insane bird gang going on. Do you hear them? I don't even know what kind of noise that could be. There's so much noise going on in this little area. These birds are going crazy. It's like they're like two gangs, like one on this side of the street, one on the other side of the street, and they're just going crazy right now. Literally the last thing I expected to hear walking around downtown Austin. Wow, this is crazy because I've walked around all the city today so far, a couple hours. Look at this thing real quick while we get sidetracked. And I haven't heard these birds until we came on this street, but apparently they're having a gang war and they're doing drive-bys. It's pretty crazy. So you'll probably see this on the episode of The First 48 Bird Edition. The star, the North Star. This is how we can find out if we're north. Well, what if you're north going that way? Or going that way? Or going that way? Or going that way? It's probably not the North Star, so don't take my word for it, but it is a nice star. Maybe it's out for Christmas. Maybe it's always, oh man, it's dark. Now I'm lost. Maybe, maybe you can't even see me right now. Maybe these clips are irrelevant, but it is a nice touch. It's getting dark. I'm gonna see if I can find one more interesting thing. I have a few more days here in Texas, so we'll film some real high quality videos. But I had to do a getting lost in downtown Austin video because I'm lost right now. So we'll see if we can find one more thing. Let's see what we can get into. All right, so I have to keep it down because there is police right behind me, but I was able to find a parking garage because they normally have a rooftop to go up, right? And you can see we are up in the skies of downtown Austin, Texas. And I think we can end the video here in a couple minutes because this is the best view we're gonna find, right? And you can even see the Capitol right there. This is the best we're gonna be able to do today. Like I said, it's getting dark and I wanna get some good views. And I think this is the best view that I'm gonna find. So, day one in Texas, an absolute success. I don't want to spend too much time downtown making videos. I really want to get a feel of Texas. So I'll probably film 2 more videos while I'm here. I might do my first food video. Austin is actually known for food trucks. I think they have something over like 1,000 food trucks in the city of Austin. So we might try to go find the best food truck we can. And then we might be able to find some mountains. We're gonna find something worth making a video over. So if I sound like I'm whispering, I am sorry. But as soon as I came out of the elevator, I seen 2 police walking away down underneath me right now. And yeah, I don't want them to get startled and see me holding this stick and think that it's something else. And you know, that can go a couple different ways here in America. So wow, yeah, this is a great way to end this video. But let's see if we can get a good view of the Capitol from right here. And I think we can. Okay. We'll do a nice panoramic shot. Oh, you can even see the police right over there somewhere. I don't know. We don't want to get involved with them. And guys, if you made it this far, please hit that like and subscribe on the way out. I'm Robot Joe, and I do my best to bring you videos from all around the world. It's like 85 degrees in Austin. I'm in a sweater because I came from Louisville, Kentucky, where it was 37 degrees. And I'm tired, and I gotta get to the hotel so I can bring you guys some great videos for the next couple days. So, I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.